Hey guys,
Hey
welcome to our
guys.
vlog,
Number
and we
3.
are here with drumroll, Jillian.
So, hey guys, we have blueberries.
Look, what? This old stuff.
We are at Aztec Island today.
Aztec Island.
Aztec Island.
Look at the big stick.
And Brooke's gonna get the stick. What, Bodie? No, I'm kidding.
Is Brooke?
Put it down!
Let's go. Macho. Can you over? Help me.
I can't, I have blueberries.
I have to just.
You guys got this.
Planting a tree. We're building a tree. Building a tree. This is so
Oh, I'm recording.
I just gave oxygen to this earth.
Nope, you didn't.
Photosynthesis right here.
We planted a tree.
We planted a tree. Look, where is it? Oh.
How dare they? Our land, boy!
I don't think so.
Yep,
It smells like acid. Oh, even better.
You're looking right at me.
He caught a fish though.
Good for him.
I never felt like this.
Rocks. Fuck yeah.
Okay. There is nothing. We're at the edge of the earth right now.
Hello.
No. You look like a ghost. No, we're gonna send help. Ew, don't touch that! Oh my god! You can't even see you. You're so like. Oh, you have it. Okay. Yeah. It's stuck. So we are going back because it is too moisty and windy. But look at this view, guys. Crazy. Aww.
Oh!
I'm gonna pet him.
Oh no!
Does he have fur?
No, are you?
My eyes! Oh no! My eyes! We're about to get some chicken.
Yeah, let's
Wait, I need to film the turtle! We were literally walking and there is a dead turtle. Oh my god, he does not have a skull. That is so sad. I'm going to cry. Left me. Look at the shell I found. Look, what are you writing? Brooke? Is that supposed to be the and sign?
It's just the and word.
Oh, and Haley's vlog. Subscribe! Ooh, okay. There we go. Perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna be singing 12 songs for 40 minutes.
Oh my god, he caught something!
I was trying to like
She went.
so let me tell you,
Second stick of the day.
this is how to be a heartbreaker. Was it like the look? Play another
Down!
Sorry. Singing la 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 love you. Hey, you're singing la la. Oh! No pets.
You can't be here.
Go vroom vroom. Hello, kids. This is how to be a heartbreak. Oh my god. My head. Breaking my head. I'm sorry, I did not mean to. Why are you pulling me? Ow. Ow. She keeps hitting me in my sunglasses. Another girl song.
Look at my pale feet. Oh my god, my feet are so pale. They're like yellow.
Nobody cares.
Oh, is that a carcass?
No, it's a branch. You don't
Oh, I got really excited for a second.
care. Look, there's termites.
Ew.
Wait, no, it's just ready. Goodbye.
Bye. Rave party. Oh no. This is so good. Okay, dance off. Okay guys, we are having a dance. We're gonna have a dance off. No, don't start.
This is a good rave song.
Okay, we're gonna do it one at a time because I cannot focus between the two of you. Okay, so Jillian. Oh. Get it. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna do it for like 10 seconds.
I can't do this.
Okay, and stop. Haley, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. Okay, automatic winner right here. That was cartwheel.
I broke my phone.
I don't care.
I broke my phone. Those dogs are so cute, guys. Like, my heart. I want a dog like that. I have a rat. So cute.
It's smelly.
Mark is being dumb at the moment. She said, look at the goose.
Never seen a goose before, bro.
Yeah, right?
I just came.
Did she say there's a crate over there?
Creep.
No. A crate. A crate.
Got it.
We got it! I bet it does, because it's like. Ow! Oh, ow. Ow. Oh, I got a burr on my foot. Hold on, they went this way.
Haley, how are you supposed to follow them? They're going the
Yep.
go that way. Yeah. Haley, you're going the wrong way.
No, they went this way. They went this way.